Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a simple Python program to print all possible strings from a list of words. Okay, so this program consists of the concept permutations of module itertools. So without any delay, let us get into our PyCharm and start writing our program. Okay, I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us create a list of words. Okay, list 1 is equals to, I'm having some random words S, T, R, I, N and G. You know that we use square braces to create list and we use quotation. Things within the list are always followed and preceded by quotation marks. Not only within the list, the strings are always within quotations. Okay. So now let us use our permutations module. So firstly let us import that from itertools, import permutations. Okay. Now I am creating another list which is the list of permutations of all our list 1. Okay. This consists of all the random permutations of our words of list 1. Okay. So now for list in list 2, now I want to loop over each list, right? For j in list, I want to create a string, right? So str1 is equals to, I'm creating an empty string and I'm adding str1 plus is equals to j, right? Now let us print our str1. Now let us run our program. Yeah, we got all the combinations, but I want only the combinations which contain all the strings, all the words. So I want to check if length of str1 is equals to length of my list 1, then I want to print the string. Okay, I'll run it again. Yeah, this time we got all the combinations. Yeah, you can see, right? So this is a program. We use permutations module here, not only here, for all the, if you want any permutations of tuples, lists, strings, dictionaries, you can use this permutations module. Okay, so this is about the program. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also share it with your Python buddies, make it teamwork, learning Python, and also subscribe my channel for more Python videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.